Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today we're going to be trying out the new Halloween palette from Sugar Drizzle. This is a Trick Roar Treat palette. It is so cute. You do get a mirror and it says Happy Halloween right here. And here are the 6 beautiful shades. I will be creating 2 looks with this fun little eyeshadow palette. If you follow me on Instagram, which I hope all of you do, you guys have already seen the swatches of this. I did a little Instagram reel. And yeah, this looks really fun. I'm really liking that matte yellow. Look at this shade down here at the bottom. A little dinosaur inspired palette. I do have a code with Sugar Drizzle. It is Steff10. It will give you 10% off of this palette or your purchase, whatever else you decide to buy. This palette will be available this Sunday, October the 2nd at 11 a.m. CST, and it retails for, I believe, $28.95. So not bad. If you don't want a full-scale, larger Halloween palette, this little 6-pan palette might be all you need. If it is your first time here on my channel, I want to say hello and welcome to everybody. My name is Steph, and this is what I love to do. I love trying out new makeup, and I love doing multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes. I do makeup ranking videos. If all of that sounds great to you, and you want to see my videos on pretty much a daily basis, I do tend to upload quite a bit. Do me a favor and click on the subscribe button, hit the bell next to it, that way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you like what you see, if you're a fan of Sugar Drizzle or just want to see me play with some makeup, give this video a thumbs up before you go. As usual, I will have all the makeup that I'm wearing, using, talking about in today's video linked in the description box. Some of those things might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Let's dive on into this new Sugar Drizzle palette. If you guys want to see the 2 looks I'm about to create, keep on watching. Now, I've already primed my eyelids with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer, and let's get ready to play with this palette. I think what I want to do, I think I'm going to start with the brown. I'm actually going to do the brown in the crease, and then I think I want to go in with this shade right here. So the brown is called Happy Haunting, and I'm using a BK202. Let me know what some of your favorite Sugar Drizzle palettes are. I know a lot of you really loved the Sweet Dreams palette. That was the pastel duo and multi-chrome palette that was released this past summer. That is a beautiful one. I love the Dragonfly Warrior palette. I love the Flamingo palette. I like the palettes that include both matte and shimmer the most because it's like, you know, an all-inclusive palette. But I do appreciate, you know, full-on shimmer, multi-chrome, duochrome palettes as well. I think Sugar Drizzle has just been really improving upon their formula this past year, and I think they have one of the best out there, to be honest, and they do it at a rather affordable price point. I really feel like Sugar Drizzle is definitely one of the more affordable brands where you can get really solid duo and multi-chromes from. So I'm liking this brown. It does have a little bit of a cool tone to it, which I think a lot of you will appreciate. I know most palettes tend to be like warm tone, so it's always nice to have a nice cool tone, especially like a neutral shade like this in a palette. Okay, now we're gonna go into this shade right here. This one is called Reptar Candy, and I'm gonna take this on a damp Morphe M124, and I am gonna spray it with some setting spray. I'm not using any glitter glue just because it's really late in the evening when I'm filming this video. Ooh, okay, so this is gonna be like a red to gold shift. Now on this Reptar 26, I'm picking up a little bit of the matte yellow that's called Dinosaur Egg. And I'm gonna add that right here to the lower lash line, the inner portion. Then I think I'm gonna do the brown over here. Okay guys, I'm gonna add some finishing touches, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 1. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 1. I added some Lancome Definitions mascara, and then for the lower waterline, I went in with an e.l.f. No Budge Shadow Stick. This one is a new shade for fall. This is called Vintage Suede. And then I added the Eylure pre-glued lashes. The pre-glued part has already gone away, so I just had to add my own lash glue. But these are the Luxe Faux Mink lashes. It's like a little half lash. I love it. I love the way this look turned out. Super easy, super simple, 3 shadows, and I think it looks very fall inspired, kind of a little bit of a grungy look, and I love the red. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. Okay, so for look number 2, we're definitely going to play with the green. So I'm going to start first with the shade. This one is called Roar. Now I'm taking Roar on a BK206, and I'm going to apply this from the lash line all the way up into the crease. This green is really, really pretty. It's blending out really well. This is going to be a really easy and quick palette to work with because you really only need like 2 shades, maybe 3 at the most. Okay, now we're going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called Trick Roar Treat. Now I'm going to do this shade on the inner portion, and then we're going to use the only shimmer one that I haven't used, which is Dynamite. How cute is that? We're going to do that on the outer portion. Definitely these would benefit with some from some glitter primer, glitter glue. That is a really pretty one. I think this is my favorite in the palette. Now Dynamite. I'm gonna go in with this one next. The brush, I'm just gonna flip it around. I am gonna spray it again. That is a really pretty one as well. Now on a Rephr 26, I'm going to do the yellow dinosaur egg all over the lower lash line. Now on a damp Rephr 03, I'm going back in with Trick Roar Treat. Okay guys, I'm going to add the finishing touches off camera, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 2. Okay guys, here's the completed look number 2. Same everything except for the lower waterline. I went in with a ColourPop cream gel liner. It's this one right here. It's the shade Aglow. I really love the way both of these looks turned out. I think they're just like 2 totally different looks. This is a little bit brighter, maybe a little bit more sparkly. This is a little bit more smoky, more grungy. And I got to use all 6 shades. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video and share with you guys my final thoughts on this new Sugar Drizzle Halloween palette. Okay guys, so after creating the 2 looks, I love it. I think this is a cute little Halloween release from Sugar Drizzle, especially if you don't want to spend too much and you just want a little something to add to your stash for the holiday. Then I think this would be perfect. You are getting a couple duochromes in here. You're getting some really good matte shadows. I just think it's a very easy palette to use. Like really, you only need 2 shades and you can create a really fun look. But be inspired by this palette, you know, let your imagination run wild. This little beauty drops October 2nd at 11 a.m. CST, and you can use my code Steff10 to take 10% off of your order. I wanted to pull out the last 6-pan release from Sugar Drizzle, and this is the Meant to Be palette, and here's the color story of that one. So maybe you want to pick both of them up, but let me hold them up one on top of the other so you can see what that would look like. But there you go. That would be a really fun color story to work with. This one, I'm not sure if it's in stock. It might be. I have a feeling this one is in stock. And then this one, of course, is the new one that drops on October 2nd. And they're both, I believe, the same price. And of course, my code will give you 10% off of your order. So I'm going to give this new Trick Roar Treat from Sugar Drizzle 2 thumbs up. I think it's just a really cute little palette to add to your stash if you don't want a full-blown Halloween palette. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know which look look you like best. Are you team 1, 2, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below and let me know if this new palette is in your future. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.